Wake up. It's time to go to school. Okay. At school. Hi guys. I guess we're jumping right into today's lesson, which will be, Mr. Teacher, can I go to the bathroom? Yeah, sure, you could go. Okay. I mean, just look at it. It is just the thinnest TV I've ever seen. At the hall. Ha 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 ha. Today, I just broke into this school and I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Well, I need to go to the principal's office because that's where the fire alarm is. I defeated the principal. Now time to pull the fire alarm. Hey, stop right there. Yeah, but you're gonna put a fire alarm? You beat the principal? What's your name anyways? My name is Sleeping Fat. Sleeping Fat. Well, I'm gonna beat you up. Wait a second. Why are you two in the... No, not Sleeping Fat again. Really thought I won't get up for that, Sleeping Fat? I'm even stronger than the principal. Not to be rude. Anyways, for you, I'm gonna call the cops. Wait, what? What? How do you know what I did? Anyways, what did you do? Well, he beat up the principal and tried to put the fire alarm. He was about to do it, and then I stopped him. Great job, Pencil. Now, Sleeping Fat, I'm gonna call the police on you. Or I can't go back to prison. And Pencil, you get the rest of the day off, and I'm gonna call your parents to let them know about this. Yay! At Pencil's house. Hey Pencil, I got a call saying that Sleeping Fat... How do you know his name? I seen him. Anyways, me and your father are super proud of you because you caught Sleeping Fat trying to put the fire alarm. And just for that, you are ungrounded. You could do whatever you want. Yay, at jail. This is your cell. For trying to put a fire alarm, you'll stay here for 50 years. Stay in your cell and don't come out. Why? I can't believe I'm in jail. All because Pencil did this to me. Why?